nice shoes, a simple light jacket, metal hair comb, milk, powdered milk, pepper if you like your food spicy, and Garri. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. There are quite a number of important things that you need to bring along to Turkey. So in this video, we're going to look at 15 necessary items to bring along with you to Turkey. It could be clothes, food items, or electronics. I would also mention items that may feel important, but you shouldn't actually bring them along. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right started. Number one is traditional attires. There are events in which you have to represent your country or culture. You cannot do that without the right dressing, so don't forget to bring different types along. Have you seen this video of my very good friend representing Nigeria with his nice agbada? That was at a spring festival event organized by his university in May. Festivals like this are always organized around that period all over Turkey, so you definitely get a chance to rock your best attires to represent your culture. Other events include Independence Day, wedding parties, or World Cuisine Days, so this item is a must bring. Not just dresses though, traditional items and artifacts like beads, hats or caps, necklaces or handbags may be useful. Number two, atagugun. Pepper. Atagugun is what we call hot pepper in my language, Yoruba. If you like your food spicy, you should come with a jar of grinded pepper because you can't find its equivalent here, in my opinion. There is pepper in Turkey and some of their foods are spicy but not as much as ours. It's just like that, and I don't really enjoy food without spice. So if you're like me, since it may take you some time to get used to their food, it will do you a lot of good to come with your own pepper. Number three is powdered milk. There's powdered milk here in Turkey, but it's totally different in terms of texture and taste. I am used to a particular kind of milk, so the one here is not really all that for me. That's why when coming back to Turkey about some months ago, powdered milk took half of my provisions bag. Number four, a fully functional adapter. In Turkey, the sockets are like this, 2 pins. You can get an adapter here, but it is better to bring one along because even in the airplane, if it has a charging port, it will be a 2-pin port. Number five, light jackets for fall season. It starts getting cool gradually from September. So since most of you will be coming in September, it is reasonable to come with a light jacket. A light jacket is easily wearable, removable and foldable. You can put them in your bag and they will take up not much space. Don't mistake them with winter coats. Those ones are heavy and not easily foldable or transportable. In fact, I would recommend that you buy a winter coat after getting here. Don't worry, it won't get very cold until December, so you have enough time to look around for good and quality winter coats before buying one. I also recommend that you come with summer clothes only, plus 1 or 2 jackets, especially a black one. That's because after getting here, you'd realize that spring is just a cooler summer. So you dress like you would under hot sun, but with 1 extra jacket to protect you from the cold breeze. You may also come with an umbrella if it wouldn't add too much weight to your luggage. Number 6, dollars. I know it's obvious, but it may skip your mind, so let me mention it. You cannot spend your local currencies here and you cannot exchange them either. So change all your money to either dollar, euros or pounds before coming. But it's not bad to have some of your local currency with you because it may be useful when you return. Number 7, toothbrushes are generally soft here. So if you are used to the medium hard ones or the extra hard ones, then make sure to bring them along. Number 8, hair cream and lotion. If you are in Istanbul, maybe you can find any hair cream you want, or you may find something similar or one that's used with the same ingredient as the one you use back home. But that may not be the case in other cities, so it's better to just bring 1 or 2 from home. If you're used to a particular hair cream, it's also better to come with yours. If your skin is also reacting to other lotion apart from what you are used to, then I think you should come with enough lotion. Number 9, Garri, golden morn and cornflakes. There is cornflakes here actually, you don't need to worry about that, but if you really want NASCO, you can come along with 1 or 2 packets. It's not necessary, it's not compulsory, but because it's not heavy, you wouldn't regret bringing 1 or 2. No golden morn here, so come with golden morn if you know you need something like cereal to keep yourself up every morning. Come with your Garri. It will be useful for you to make eba, drink Garri and do whatever you want to do until you get used to the Turkish food. Number 10, your phone. You can either come with a phone from your country or come here and buy a new phone. But electronics in Turkey are expensive, because of tax. So it's usually advised to come with a good phone from your country, probably an iPhone or one of the top-end Android phones. Then buy a local phone here, put your SIM card in it and use it for calls and hotspots. That's what's usually done. But if you know that you want to come and buy a phone here in Turkey, it's also worth it, since you can just have one phone, put your SIM card in it and use it freely for a long time. And if you know you want to come with a phone from your country but you don't want to buy a phone here, you can also do that, and you can use it for the first 6 months with a Turkish SIM card. After 6 months, it will be locked if you don't register it in Turkey. I hope the issue is clear now. Number 11, perfumes. If you go to the shopping malls, you'll find several perfumes with nice scents, of course. But for example, if you are from Sudan, Ethiopia, some parts of Nigeria, the Hausas, Ghana, I know we have this special mist that is not found here. So if you have perfumes that cannot be found elsewhere, it's better to come with enough quantities. And don't forget to put them in your baggages, not your hand luggage. Number 12, comb. Yeah, that one is not very common here. I remember when I first bought mine, I bought it from Amazon. It came from outside Turkey. And I heard from one of my friends that some people sell it in Istanbul, so maybe you can find them. Number 13, electronics are expensive in Turkey, so I advise you to buy your laptop over there and come here. Number 14, shoes. I came here with a pair of corporate shoes, but I never used them except once when I attended a wedding. So I think for undergraduates, this is not really necessary. And when I used them, I remember they had become small, so I eventually had to buy one here. So for undergraduates, since you won't be attending much of these corporate professional events, then I don't think you need to bring corporate shoes. But if it's your dressing style, why not? For masters and PhDs, same thing, but if you know you'll be attending lots of conferences and so on, maybe it will be necessary for you. So I remember when I was coming, I felt like it was very necessary to come with corporate shoes, like, you know, I need to dress corporate to class, but you realize that that's not the style here. Nobody really wears corporate shoes to class. The dressing style is just different here, and everybody is wearing the white sneakers. So that's why I didn't really use mine. I just felt it was important to mention that. If you're from Ghana and you eat Shito, then don't forget to bring that. I mean, you can even bring some for me because I really like that stuff. Alright guys, so one extra tip before we round up for today is that you should learn how to cut hair or plait hair. For ladies, learn how to do basic things like weaving, twisting, what do you guys call it, cornrows and whatever. Yeah, if you can do that, you'll be able to work part-time right from your first day in Turkey. You can even help Turks plait their hair, you know, those that want to use the African style. Same thing goes for guys. If you know how to cut hair, then you can easily sign up into a salon and, you know, work there maybe every weekend or twice a week or thrice a week and get some money. You can even cut for people in your dormitories, and I believe it's a very good way to make money. One more thing is that you guys should download Google Maps and Google Translate. After downloading Google Translate, please make sure you download Turkish language as well, so that you can easily translate from Turkish to English or English to Turkish in the airplane and in the airport. You would find it very, very useful. Now, let me mention things that I feel like you don't really need to bring. Number one is stationaries, pencils, books, and biros. I feel like they just add weight to your bag and you don't really need them. Number two, like I mentioned before, winter coat. Please don't come with winter coats. I mean, just my advice though. It will only take up space. It may be heavy. I remember I came here with one winter coat, but I did not use it because it was not even protecting me well from the snow. I had to buy another one. Anyways, so I think that's all. Those are the important things. I feel like I may have left some things out. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Baozar Zakariyyah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.